Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to toggle on or off the ability Quick Swap in Hytale. First, enter settings by pressing the escape key or the corresponding key on your controller. Then go into settings. Here make sure you're in the gameplay tab. Under enable utility Quick Swap, hit changes to on or off. What does it do? When enabled, tapping the keybind will instantly switch to the next item in your utility wheel. So, if I save this, and as you can see, I have a shield and a torch in my utility wheel. When wanting to switch between the two, I can simply tap Z instead of holding down to enable the menu. And as you can see, now I am much more secure. I can instantly switch between light and defense. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.